how to embed video on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech TV. In this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can embed video on Twitter. So let's get started. So firstly, open your X application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now search for the video which you want to embed. Now click on the share button and tap on copy link. Once you copied your link, go to any browser you have and paste it. Now that post will be open on the browser. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After that, tap on desktop site. Once it loads, zoom in until you see the three dots. Once you see it, click on it and here you will see the two different options. Just click on the embed post option. Now you will be redirected to the new post where you have to click on the copy code option. Once the code is copied, then go back to the Twitter application. Here, click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Again, tap on post option. Now paste the embedded code you have copied. You only have to keep the coded parts only and you can delete other. If you want to add some keywords to the post, you can just add more, and once you are okay with the post, finally click on post option at the top right corner, and that's it. So there you have it. In this easy and simple way, you can embed video on Twitter. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.